Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 368. Mock objects while debugging server logic. In our last tip, I talked about how you can debug your Power Pages server logic code in VS Code for desktop, but I mentioned that it won't connect to Dataverse during debugging. In this tip, we'll look at how you can supply mock data to facilitate your debugging. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The mock data is defined in a JavaScript file in the .vscode folder located in the root of your Power Pages site directory. This file is called server-logic-debug-runtime.js. This auto-generated file contains a sample implementation of the server object. You can edit this file as you need so that the values returned by the various functions are relevant to your scenario. For example, you can edit server.context to include realistic query string parameters, headers, and body. You can update the retrieve multiple records function in the Dataverse object to return the expected results. Or update the user and site setting objects to have the values that your code expects. Customizing this file allows you to step through your server logic code with mock data relevant to your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 368 on mock objects while debugging server logic useful.